So today I received my Govee Floor Lamp 2 and I'm gonna unbox them and put them together and see how they're gonna pair up with this. This is Govee TV Backlight, but this is not the only thing. We also have got Govee's smart LED bulbs. We're also gonna use them for the living room. This will be the main source of light. So we're gonna see how these will work out together. So this is the first glimpse after the installation. There's also light down there at the bottom, and there's also a remote control that you can use to turn them on or turn them off. And you can put them here. It's magnetic. I've also installed those Govee light bulbs. So next thing I'm gonna see how these all are gonna sync together. So I've added these to the Govee application, and as you can see right from here, I can just tap on off to switch off the lamps, or tap on to switch it back on. Now let's next check how these lights are gonna sync. So I finally managed to sync all the lights, and next I'm gonna run a test on YouTube. Let's see how it works. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel to support me to create more contents for you in the future. Thank you.